It's a seizure that the Hong Kong police are proud to showcase. 95 kilograms of cocaine with a street value of more than $13 million.
This is the largest seizure of cocaine in a single police case since the year 2013.
In the first 3 months of this year, the number of cocaine seizures in Hong Kong rose by almost 120% compared to last year. But Professor Karen Jo Laidler from the University of Hong Kong, who studies the city's drug trends, says it's not just cocaine now flooding this market.
Over the past 20 years, there's been a dramatic shift in the kinds of drugs that people use. So the marketplace for drugs is much more diverse in Hong Kong now.
The key reason is China is one of the world's largest manufacturers of the chemicals needed to make medicinal and recreational drugs. And a United Nations report says an increasing number of drug syndicates in Hong Kong are helping smuggle them from the mainland to the growing markets around the world.
The criminal base in China and Hong Kong, they have a significant advantage than the other because they're local. And then they know how to exploit the system, and they know how to ship out those drugs into the end markets.
Despite all efforts by authorities in Hong Kong and China to slow the drug trade, there's still another major hurdle. Chemists in China are creating new synthetic drugs at an unprecedented rate. These are drugs that mimic illicit types like cocaine and ecstasy, but are too new to be banned internationally, leaving enforcement agencies struggling to shut them down. This includes the synthetic painkiller fentanyl. It's legal, but authorities believe new types are being cheaply made in China and are said to be 100 times stronger than heroin.
When you control one derivative of fentanyl, another derivative comes out, which is not under the control list. Criminals are always one step ahead of law enforcement people.
And with a rapidly expanding pharmaceutical industry, the latest drug market report by the EU says China has now become the fastest growing wholesaler of new synthetic drugs to Europe as well. Sarah Clark, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.